Nicole Carmel de Obong, your VP Fin.
Okay.
Well, alam naman natin na ever since na non-profit org nga tayo. So, ever since then, the finance department was also very successful with whatever projects they have done. So, this term, na-prove pa yun. So, I would like to continue those projects, especially that of Bandage and Blood Rush. Diba yung hindi naman 1,000 or 2,000 lang yung kinita natin dun sa mga projects na yun. We earn thousands. So, kung mag-concentrate tayo sa projects na yun, kung mas madaming tao, mas madaming effort at oras ang ilaan sa projects na yun, mas lalaki yung kita natin. So, mas magiging successful siya. Tapos, isa pa, hindi naman, yung org kasi hindi naman nag-work lang under ilang departments, under isang department. At yung per department, hindi naman yung nire-run ng VP lang. So, what I'd like to motivate yung members din ng organization and per department is to do this project called, wait, I don't have a title yet, but I would like it to work as a wish list. As in, we'll make them write down their wish list per department or for the organization in general. Tapos we'll prioritize and we'll work for it. Pwede tayong gumawa ulit ng project na kung saan, kung yung makukuha nating funds doon, for yung wish list nga kung sino man yung ma-prioritize na department or member. Tapos, pwede rin tayong maglaan nga ng budget ng mga galing sa kung ano makitain natin sa Bandage or sa Blood Rush. Sa start naman ng semester, hindi naman natin actually kino-consider. Well, sige, kino-consider natin kung anong meron tayo. Pero as much as possible, iniisip natin wala tayong pera. Kasi 'di ba, ayaw nating galawin or bawasan kung ano man yung hawak natin. Ang gusto natin is palaguin 'yon. Yung we want to earn more. So, yun, I've worked under Blood Rush and I know if there were more effort, there were more people working under it, there was more effort and more time, mas madami yung mangyayari sa Blood Rush. Kasi tingnan mo, konti lang yung nag-work for Blood Rush, pero sobrang dami ng sponsorship natin. Hindi naman natin kailangan galawin kung anong meron tayo. Ibenta lang natin kung anong meron tayo, like yung services nga ng organization. Ibenta natin yun, tapos kuha tayo ng madaming sponsorship. As an epic marketing tayo, sobrang hindi natin magagalaw yung kung ano man yung meron. As in, sobrang low budget, pero sobrang high income. Yan.
Okay.
Ito, actually this one is water and fade-proof pigment ink. Pero it doesn't matter what it is kung hindi naman kayo under design or whatever field I'm in. So, may exam tayo mamaya, di ba? Wala kang dala. Ito, bilhin mo na.
Okay. Thank you.